We're back with another dilemma. Back with another problem. I have hit my lowest again. You know, once we hit our lowest, we get on camera. You know what I'm saying? We gotta document these low moments. So when I get back high, it's like, damn, Corey, you was here. Right now, I was riding around. Let me go get y'all in the background real quick. I was riding around, driving, mind my business, about to complete my little morning quest, right? Then, out of nowhere, car starts shaking. Fuck my car shaking for? I look up, my car hot. Alright, boom, let me pull over, see what's going on. I am on E, but it ain't got nothing to do with it. Boom. Get out. Check under the hood. You know, see what look right, what look out of place. You feel me? On my mechanic shit. I seen we ain't had no coolant in there. Boom, when Auto Parts bought me some coolant, you feel me? They go with my car with $20. Poured the whole thing in. Well, not the whole thing, a lot of it in because it was empty. I look back in there. It's dissolved. It's gone. So now $20 down the drain. But you never let a problem stop you. Work through the problem. So I gotta get done everything I was still planning on doing with no car right now. It's like my car on a temporary hold right now. This shit be crazy, bro. This shit be crazy. Right now we're about to eat. Luckily, it's a Waffle House across the street. You got a farmer's market, a hibachi buffet, and a Mexican restaurant. I don't know which one we're gonna hit. So since the coolant dissolved and it went somewhere, I think it went in the engine, I don't know. But I'm waiting till the car cool down, so we're gonna go eat. Waste a little time, let the car cool down, pour the rest of it in there, and the rest of it go down. I don't know what we're gonna do, so let's lock in for a cool 15 minutes. I ain't even dressed to pop out. That's why you always dress to pop out, because you never know what's gonna happen. Now everybody gonna see me outside walking, and I'm like, look at that bum. And they wouldn't be wrong. Look at me. Let's go on our adventure. I just had to get out of origin on how we living today. I don't know if y'all pay attention. I'm really always walking out this bit. Shit crazy. Oh, shit. Hey, I'm telling y'all, hey, clearer content coming soon, bruh. Wait, look, it's a grand opening at them wings place. You already know we about to go. Yeah, but clearer content coming soon. It's like I've been working on so much stuff at one time. Shit. That shit would have been crazy. And then I would have been a bad cameraman because I would have missed the wreck on camera. But you know, that's why I'm on feet. We're gonna head over here to the grand open. First, we're gonna go through Austell International Farmers Market. Cause I ain't never been to like a pure seller. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all gonna see when I walk in it. Well, we gonna see. I ain't never been here. That's what I mean. You're not seeing this in no regular store. You just not. These are like them stores that be in Hawaii. Them rare brands. You know, it'd be kind of crazy that it take unexpected events to make me pop out or make me realize, like, hold on, you know you can go do whatever, right? The unexpected events take me out my system that I'm usually in. You know what I'm saying? Aesthetics. All the rare seasons, all the rare flavors gonna be in here, cause they don't got no cutoff in here. Why would it? You ain't never seen no corn from that brand, cause other stores probably don't accept that brand. The farmers market, you know, shit like that, be accepting everything, so you can find whatever in here. You feel me? No, that motherfucker might hit. I want to find a rare beverage for the wins. That's my goal in here. Find the rarest beverage, but you can find a rare valid beverage. So I'm gonna look for a brand I know y'all ain't seen before, and then I'm gonna hurry up, cause you know they don't got me on the clock that long in here. See, look, what the fuck? You know, right now I'm trying to wing place fruit punch. You know that big gonna hit. I'm gonna show y'all the thing though. I had to get something I know hit, and this the taste test. Touchdown fruit punch. 9.5. That one kind of mid because of how good the fruit punch is. I'm gonna get that one at 8. I can't even rate it on the same scale as that. It just tastes so, I don't know. I wouldn't get it as an actual drink, but like, it depends. Let me see if it's benefits. After reading the benefits, seeing how it tastes, I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9. Cool 9. 10. 8.5. 9. Now let's try the food. As y'all know, we had to throw in a quick meal prep. I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown, cause I've been here too long. Alright, y'all. Food at 10. 10 for sure. I be having to let y'all get the sky as my background, you feel me? Natural backgrounds are the hardest, you feel me? If I put buildings in my background, that shit ain't gonna hit the same as the sky, you feel what I'm saying? Anyway, about to come over here and see if my shit cooled down. If it did, pour the rest of that in there. If it didn't, we still gonna pour the rest of it in there, and we're gonna take off to the crib. I mean, this motherfucker's still hot, and look, it's still empty. I just poured half of it. I just bought this. Look how much gone. Yeah, I can't see. But I'm about to pour this in here, and then I'm about to take off. When stuff like this happen though, I mean, it low-key excites me, cause like, a new car on the way, but like, no point in getting a new car if this one still works. So of course we're gonna push this bitch to the wheel fall off, of course, but at the same time, I'm gonna be on time a few problems. I'm trying to see where it's leaking from. Is it going down? I think it's thin, but I'm about to pour a little more and then hurry up and try to make it, goddamn. And then we just gonna keep the last little bit in case that bitch get high on the road. Alright, y'all gonna know if I made it. I'm gonna record it, cause I got roll up and shit, and then finish my food and shit. See, look, at first that bitch was overly hot, but we straight now, you feel what I'm saying? See, having a car that give you problems, you know, it teach you how to, you feel me, work on these pieces of shit, you know? Nevertheless, it's making me better. Now let's hurry up and make it home for this shit right now.